really still complaining about it?
Yeah, we're live now too, so way to have everyone hear that. You gotta love live TV. That's what we always said in college classes there. You can come on too, because people know that you're here.
Now they know I'm here? Well,
yes.
Listen, I came on live just to complain about Jacob complaining, which then makes me complain. But anyway, we are here for a very good reason, Dave. And what's that reason?
Because at the DC Fair, the Dutchess County Fair, we were giving away a door. If you came by, sunk a putt, filled out an info card, set up an appointment, we got over 40 entries into our door giveaway this year. Well, that really scared me. I didn't realize he was back there. Really hard. But Jay, why don't you tell us about the door that we're giving away today?
Sure, so it's a full fiberglass door with a wood grain texture. It's got simulated divided lights, so for those who don't know that, the girls on the outside of the glass give it a more craftsman look, a little bit nicer. The door we're sending is going to be primed, so you would need to finish it yourself. Full pre-hung in a unit, your choice of hinges and different things like that.
So this is a great solid door, literally, that we are giving away to one lucky person who visited us at the Dutchess County Fair. If you didn't win today, you're gonna get a chance next year probably. So just to show everyone that we're doing this completely fair, one of the few bags we have left, it is completely empty. There's no cards on the side, nothing. We haven't rigged anything. So we're gonna throw all of our entrant cards in the bag. I don't wanna be accused of rigging this at all. We'll shake this up nice and beautifully. If you didn't get a bag, you can still come down to our showroom, 62 McKinley Street. We got plenty left. We got some pretty awesome NB swag left. No tape measures. We got rid of all the tape measures. Those were a big hit. We got stress balls, cups, pens, bags, plenty left. So, we got one extra good shake.
I'll hold it for you.
Oh, I was going to make you pull it so this way I don't get booed. Well, let's see. I hope whoever won had great handwriting, because this could be really bad if they don't. So, let's find out. I've got a card in hand. And the winner of the door, okay, not the best handwriting, but it's probably written by Jacob because he's got the handwriting of a doctor. Marcella Kielsen, I believe that's what, Marcella Kielsen. Yeah. You are our winner. Where's the camera? There we go. Marcella Kielsen, we're not going to give all your personal information away, but we are going to give you a door, courtesy of New Beginnings and the Dutchess County Fair. So to everybody that came by and saw us there, we thank you. We look forward to seeing you next year at the Dutchess County Fair. You can always come by and see us right here at 62 McKinley Street in the beautiful village of Wappinger. So until next time, on behalf of Jacob, Michael decided to drop by. I've been Dave Canning for New Beginnings Window and Door, reminding you to begin each day with a beautiful view. All right, so we have drawn the winner of the New Beginnings in Dutchess County Fair front door giveaway. Marcella Kielsen has won, so let's give Marcella a call and let them know they're getting a new free front door.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
A few moments later.